I think somebody's selling something there. He's probably in the car. Let's make a deal. Yep, that's what it is. And then there's the gang over here. The gang over here. They're just out here for the summer day. Usually it's not summer yet. Well, it feels like it. Global leasing. This one is Jargo Network Solutions. I'm going to go across. We're going to see what the trucks are. Now this one to the right, the tractor, it's always there. This doesn't have a logo on the trailer, but it says Neo Lightning Express Incorporated. Neo, N-E-O, Lightning Express Incorporated. Doesn't say from where. I think we've seen Western Express before. Let's check the origin city. Nashville, Tennessee. Western Express. I think I've seen that one here parked on Sunday before. Now, this Midway usually is parked somewhere else. You notice that it's branded in both parts, so it's Midway.com, join our team. All it says is we deliver. And then we've got this guy. Country Boy City Girl Transit Incorporated. That's the name. And I can see that the black thing is covering the same thing that was lettered. Country Boy City Girl Transit Incorporated. It's got a 336 area code, so it's North Carolina. Now people will be coming in this way, so I'll just do this. Nashville, Tennessee, Western Express. Okay, we had a tour. You can look them up. You can look them up. I'm just circling to get in the right direction to go out safely. It's about 80 degrees. There's a breeze, but not too much. The weather lately has been very nice. Summer is coming early. Is that called climate change? Did I really say that? Steve A.B. Foyel. Just letting his mind wander, and same thing for his mouth. Waiting for the traffic to give him a chance. Oh, there goes that truck. Oh, it's safe to go. Saying See you in 73.